Welcome to the Element Pack Pro tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the Setup Wizard feature in Element Pack Pro. This step-by-step guide helps you quickly configure essential settings and start using the plugin with ease. It streamlines the onboarding process, saves time, and ensures you don't miss any key features. Let's see it in action. To get started, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. The first step is to install the plugin. To do this, go to the left-hand menu and click on the Plugins tab, then select Add Plugin. You'll now have two options to install the plugin. On the right side of the screen, you can use the search bar to find and install the plugin directly from the WordPress repository. Alternatively, if you've already downloaded the plugin file from WordPress.org or received it from another source, you can use the Upload Plugin option on the left side to upload and install it manually. For this tutorial, we'll be using the upload method. Once you've installed the plugin, go ahead and click on the Activate Plugin button. This will launch the Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the initial configuration process. As the wizard begins, you'll see four main tabs at the top: Welcome, Choose Features, Integration, and Good to Go. Starting with the Welcome tab, you'll be greeted with a warm welcome message from the Element Pack team. Right below, you'll find a quick overview of what makes Element Pack such a powerful tool. Features like 300+ widgets, ready-to-use templates, and the ability to build fast, optimized websites. At the bottom of this screen, click on the Get Started button to move to the next step. Next, you'll arrive at the Choose Features tab. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the widgets Element Pack offers. In the top right corner, you'll find two convenient options: Activate All and Deactivate All. If you want to enable all widgets at once, simply click Activate All. If you prefer a clean slate, hit Deactivate All. You can also enable or disable individual widgets using the toggle switches next to each item. And if you want to skip this step entirely, just click the Skip button below. Once you've made your selections, click the Save and Continue button to move on. The third step is the Integration tab. Here you'll find a selection of additional plugins developed by BdThemes that integrate seamlessly with Element Pack. These plugins can significantly expand your web design capabilities. You have the option to install all available plugins at once or handpick just the ones you need. If you'd rather not install any additional plugins right now, simply click Skip to continue. Finally, we arrive at the Good to Go tab. At the top, you'll see the Ready-to-Use Templates section. These professionally designed templates are created to help you speed up your workflow. Just click the Import button, wait a few moments, and the selected template will be imported directly into your WordPress site. Below the template section, you'll find links to helpful resources like documentation, customer support, and video tutorials to guide you further. Once the template is imported, you can head over to the Element Pack dashboard, or you can jump straight into editing your pages. Let's click on Edit Your Pages. This will take you to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll find the page you just imported. To view it, simply click the View link. You'll now see your imported page, ready to use or customize as needed. And here's a quick tip. If you ever want to revisit or change the Setup Wizard settings, you can easily do that. Just head back to the Element Pack Pro dashboard. There, you'll find a button labeled Setup Element Pack. Clicking this will relaunch the Setup Wizard from the beginning, allowing you to modify your configuration at any time. And just like that, the Setup Wizard is complete. Element Pack Pro is now ready with essential settings. Explore the dashboard and start building with powerful widgets and features. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.